In this video, we'll solve the integral of x over x to the fourth plus 1 with respect to x. We'll use a smart substitution to make the integral much simpler. First, notice that the denominator has x to the fourth, which is really x squared squared. That suggests a substitution. Let's let u equal x squared. Now we differentiate both sides. The derivative of u with respect to x is 2x, so do equals 2x dx. That means x dx is 1/2 do. Let's rewrite the integral using u. Since u equals x squared, x to the fourth becomes u squared. So the integral becomes 1/2 times the integral of 1 over u squared plus 1. Now, this is a standard integral. The integral of 1 over u squared plus 1 is arctangent of u. So we get 1/2 arctangent u plus c. Finally, substitute u equals x squared back in. The answer is 1/2 arctangent of x squared plus c. So the key idea was recognizing that x to the fourth is x squared squared, which guided the substitution. Great work!